Hey there, Happy New Year. Sarah Kaminsky here, and I just wanted to take the opportunity to give you a really quick sneak peek into our updated, upgraded Veg Out Project recipe series back end, and invite you to come and take your own sneak peek and take advantage of the free trial that we have going on right now. So this is what the back end looks like. This is the Veg Out Project recipe series. It is a search engine filled with over 250 plant-based and allergen-friendly recipes. This is not a diet. This is absolutely a lifestyle. And I'm gonna show you what this whole thing looks like so that you can get a feel for what it is that we offer and what we do together on the inside. So when you log in, this is your home button. It just kind of gives you everything that you need to know about the content that you receive, the account access, support, and how to use your membership hub. Super easy. If you click the What's Cooking tab, we give you a suggested weekly meal plan every single week. So I can click on any one of these images and it will bring me directly to that recipe. Now, what's cool is that our breakfast and lunch recipes are designed to batch prep. So that means you do a little bit of work at the beginning of the week to get them ready so that you have easy grab and go breakfast and lunch options all week long. And then just 3 dinner recipes to sprinkle in over the course of the week, because let's be realistic, we probably aren't going to cook big, grand, from scratch meals 7 days a week. These are plant-based recipes. They are kind to the wallet. They don't take a whole lot of time to prepare, and they're absolutely delicious. Now, if you want to simplify even more, you can follow our simple plant-based meal a day challenge. And this is how easy it is. You cook these 2 recipes, you eat them on these days, and you've met the requirements of your challenge for that week. It doesn't get much easier than that. We simplify even more by providing a grocery list and meal prep tips every single week. So when I click here, I can print out or copy and paste this grocery list and take it with me where I go. I also have a list of 5 meal prep tips. These are things that are going to make my life so much easier when I hit midweek and things just get crazy busy. Now, what if I don't want to use this suggested weekly meal plan? Well, I can just click on the search engine and find recipes. I can search by my dietary need or preference: nut-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, egg-free, soy-free, vegetarian or vegan. I can also navigate by ingredient. I can navigate by meal type, so breakfast, lunch, salads, tacos, pancakes, etc., or by season. So if seasonality is important to you, then you can type that in here too. So let's just, for an example, type in dairy-free and let's see what comes up. I have so many awesome options for dairy-free recipes. Now, a lot of people might say, why would I need something like this when I have Google or Pinterest? Well, Google and Pinterest can feel overwhelming. When you type in dairy-free recipes to Google, you have hundreds and thousands of recipes. And while you're gonna still have a ton of awesome options in this search engine portal, it really helps to simplify. Now, what if I just need one breakfast recipe? I need just some breakfast inspiration for this week. I can type in breakfast and tons of awesome breakfast options are going to pop up. So here are so many great ideas. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to click on the community. This piece is so awesome. So a community is a space where we can share, we can connect, we can create together, inspire one another. And what I love about this online community is that it's off of Facebook. Social media can be such a busy super distracting place to be. So our online community is off of Facebook. It can be accessed on a computer or via app, and it's easily accessed just by clicking the button here. We're also offering a monthly call where you can connect live on a web call for a live Q&A with yours truly and everyone else in our community. You can mark your calendar, and the details for that call coming at the end of this month are coming soon. The last thing that you have access to is this resource archive, which is amazing. So many awesome guides. So maybe you are cutting down on dairy or eggs or eliminating them altogether. We have a dairy and egg substitute guide for you. Maybe you're short on time, you prefer convenience, or maybe you just hands down don't like to chop vegetables. This easy button swap guide is for you. Maybe you're not clear on what you should have stocked into your pantry. What staples should you always have on hand? This guide of kitchen staples is going to be your best friend. If you would like to have a meal plan template, we have awesome options for everybody. We have printable worksheets, we have a printable checklist, and we also have a digital meal planning template for those of you that like to save on paper and type it all out. We also have a seasonal produce guide, which isn't important to everyone, but it's important to some of you, I know. And then finally, access to our video archives. So when I click on this, I'm brought to a whole library of short, I'm talking like 1, 2 to maybe 3-minute videos and tutorials on everything: cooking, meal prep, shopping, nutrition, really like anything you would ever want to know, you find it here. So that's it in a nutshell. This is our updated, new and improved and upgraded Veg Out Project member dashboard. We are currently offering a free trial, and I invite you to join us, dive in, take a week to experience this for yourself and see if it's a good fit. If you have any questions, just hit reply to this email.